Yo, what's up guys? Happy 4th of July. Today I decided to come outside with my personal cameraman, just have a solo practice session since nobody wants to come outside because they're all worms. That's okay, we're gonna be out here. Hope you guys are having fun on 4th of July. Yo, it's hot. I'm going to find some shade to do a bike check. Wait, this is loose. We don't need one anyways. Gotta think about what I'm gonna say first. And I have to actually have some like uplift. Having a nope, gotta. The original video should be like, it's just a hangout session of solo riding, and then flashes to, alright, before we get into the video, I'm just gonna do a quick bike check. And then I do the bike check and I notice that my tire is loose, so I just take it off, and it turns into doing no front tire.